Good morning, you guys. I am up at 6:33 in the morning. I'm about to make my son some breakfast. I'm not even going to mention my hair. I guess I just mentioned it by saying that. But I'm about to make my son some breakfast before he go to school. And then I got to take him to school. My own husband keeps sneezing. But anyway, I'm just about to make him some hash brown and sausage because I think I said it before. He's like really iffy about eggs. So I'm about to make some sausage and hash brown. That's what I made him yesterday for breakfast. So that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, y'all. We didn't make nothing for dinner yesterday. We had Little Caesars. Well, I only had one slice. So all I had yesterday was, what did I have? I had a breakfast sandwich that I made. Some egg and all, of course. And a bag of chips that I was eating on yesterday. I finished that yesterday. I had some old eggnog and a slice of pizza. That's all I had yesterday. But yeah, I'm about to make his breakfast. It's gonna be real quick. Hey y'all, so I'm up. I'm dressed. I already ate breakfast. I ate boiled eggs and sausage. My mom made it for me. So I'm trying to decide if I want to start washing my baby clothes right now or do I want to go to the grocery store first. Y'all, I'm tired. Is that a spot? Yeah, I'm trying to decide on which one. I'm probably about to put that. Yeah, I'm trying to screw something on the bottom. I'm trying to screw the stand on my camera. Okay, yeah, y'all. So I'm about to just probably pull out that bag of clothes and wash her clothes right now because I've been seeing it for weeks and I still haven't done it. So let me do that now. All right, y'all. Don't want to detect my face tracker. Oh, the bag is ripped open now. Oh. Okay. These are so little. Do I want to? I don't know. What fell out? Okay. Alright. I don't know. Anyway, I'm finna wash these. I think I got more to wash. Why am I only pulling out just that? Y'all, I'm hot. Like, I'm burning up. It's like every time I get out the shower and put lotion on, I be so hot. Whew. Okay, y'all, I'm about to wash these clothes right here specifically. I gotta take all the tags off. Whew. I am burning up, y'all. Burning up for real, for real. But yeah, y'all, that's what I'm about to do. I'm making lasagna for dinner today because I wanted spaghetti and catfish because I seen Kai Cenat and Glorilla making it and it made me want some. And then earlier this morning, when I was about to eat breakfast, I had got a memory in my Facebook for some vegan spaghetti that I made 4 years ago. I'm like, see, it's meant for me to eat some freaking spaghetti today. But my husband and my son don't like spaghetti, so they love lasagna, so I guess I'll make lasagna instead. And I'm kind of thinking about going to my favorite, like, catfish, like, fish and chicken place and getting, like, a 10-piece fish to get, like, eat with the lasagna. Even though I don't think fish and lasagna go together, but why not? Because lasagna is almost like spaghetti. Almost. But, yeah, I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm about to wash these clothes, y'all. to cut up an onion and a bell pepper to go in my meat sauce that I'm going to be making for the lasagna. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the grocery store. Look, y'all, they got Oreo Dutch cocoa wafers. But yeah, oh, they only $1. They got vanilla too. But I'm at the grocery store. I'm trying to get what I need. I need like pasta sauce for the lasagna. And I said I need a bag of spinach, and I'm about to pass that up. Where is it? Ricotta cheese. And I don't know what else. I think that's it. Okay, I think I just passed it. Oh yeah, I did. I should get a pan for the lasagna. They only $1 anyway. Okay, found the ricotta cheese. Okay, I'm gonna get some mozzarella cheese. Should I get this? Alright, y'all, I'm back. I don't know why I just touched my hair, but I did just wash my hands. I got the stuff to make it, well, the rest of the stuff. Now I'm finna shred these cheeses. Y'all didn't see me pick this up, but I got this. Alright, y'all, I'm about to shred up this cheese. When I get done shredding up this cheese, I am going to charge my camera. Y'all, I always use, like, take the easy route. Like y'all see me with the vegetable chopper. I'm not about to chop all that stuff by hand. No. When it's way quicker and easier and it just makes more sense. And then the cheese grater or shredder. Yeah, just click that down to the table so it don't move. And boom, boom, boom. Ain't nobody got time to be all day cutting I mean, shredding cheese like this, holding it. This mozzarella cheese. And if y'all wondering where I got this from, I got it from Amazon. Cause I had one before. It was like a turquoise looking color, and I lost it when we moved here. And then I ordered another one from Temu because it was real cheap. But the Temu one was like it was like it didn't work good at all. So I was like, I can't do this. I had to throw it away. And I bought another one from Amazon, and this one works perfect like the other one did. Okay. All done with the cheese. Well, this cheese. I kind of like to use this cheese too. The extra sharp to put like in between it. Okay, we're all done with this one. So I believe all the prep is done. I just got to boil the noodles. Oh, and I got to make the ricotta cheese stuff. I like to just season it or whatever. Okay, I'm about to cut this spinach up. I just rinsed it off.
the best time to reveal the truth about the fire which is 20 years old. Do you know what mountain ghosts are called in music? They are called no flight calamities at night. 5 of them died 20 years ago, and remaining 3 of them.
This looks like some spinach dip.
You should walk away from this. I'm sorry. But there was no option for you. I thought you were different from others, but I was wrong. See you.
And then over here, the skillet is getting hot because I'm about to cook the ground beef and add the onions and bell peppers to it. Yeah, so y'all probably ain't gonna see that part because my camera needs to charge. Okay, y'all. I took my camera off the charger so I could so I could show y'all what I'm doing. So I already seasoned the meat. Now I'm just adding. Well, I just added the onions and bell peppers to it as well. And now I'm just gonna let it both cook together. The noodles are finally boiling. Now I'm about to put my camera back on my charger. Okay, y'all, so I just drained the hamburger meat and the noodles. Now I'm about to pour this sauce in there.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Calm down, sugar, be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. You niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat.
Okay, y'all, I got the Texas toast, 5 cheese, bread on the sheet pan, and I got 1 minute left on the oven for the lasagna to be done, to take out to sit, because y'all know y'all ain't supposed to just let it sit. I mean, let it, y'all not supposed to dig into it. When it first come out, you're supposed to let it sit. But, so, when that come out, put this in there, and then I'm going to get the baby clothes out the dryer.
And I'm really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this from the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit the these niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place.
Okay, y'all, I got my plate. Let me show y'all.
One turning back for Adeline. All fleets withdraw and return to base. Vessel 7 standing down. If you retreat, you'll be labeled a traitor to the throne.
That's nonsense. You really don't hear the king's voice?
Of course I don't, you fool. It's impossible.
And Crystal spoke the truth.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to taste it. 'Cause, yeah, it's good, good, good.
I think so. We did it! Can you believe it? You are so amazing back there. You know, we make a very good team.
This doesn't make any sense. My plan was foolproof. I'll just have to finish this myself. Mr. Stark, I don't know what you guys did, but the Attilan army is retreating. Although
No,
it
it's
appears the
good.
flagship is still holding its position. That must be Maximus. So why didn't he fall back with the rest of his fleet? Beats me. What's our next move?
Cheesy.
Working on it.
Thinking